If you've been looking at electric tricycles lately, you've probably come across the MAXFOOT MF33. And today, I'm breaking down whether it's actually worth your money or just another overhyped e-trike. First impressions? This thing is built like a tank. You get a 750 bell-bottle rear motor paired with a 48V 20Ah Samsung battery, which means you're looking at serious power and a claimed range of up to 85 miles, though in real-world use, expect less depending on load and terrain. What really stands out is the passenger setup. The MF33 isn't just for one rider, it can comfortably carry up to 3 people with a wide rear seat, backrest, and even footrests. That makes it perfect for family rides or even taking a partner or kids around town. The rear differential is another big win. It actually helps the trike turn smoothly without that awkward tire scrubbing you get on cheaper models. Now, it's not perfect. It's heavy, takes a while to charge, and at over $3,000, it's definitely an investment. So, is it worth it? If you want stability, comfort, and a shared riding experience, the MF33 delivers. But if you're just commuting solo, it might be overkill.